Did you know there's a vegetable that works almost like natural insulin? It's bitter, it's often ignored, but research shows it can drastically lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. In today's video, we'll reveal the miracle vegetable for diabetes, how to use it, the science behind it, and even a simple recipe that makes it easy to enjoy. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll also share some precautions you need to know before adding it to your diet. The vegetable we're talking about is bitter gourd, also known as Karela in many parts of the world. Despite its strong bitter taste, bitter gourd has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to control blood sugar. Modern studies now confirm what ancient healers already knew. Bitter gourd contains powerful compounds like charantin, vicin, and polypeptide P that act very similar to insulin in our bodies. Here's why this vegetable is so powerful for diabetes. It lowers blood sugar naturally by helping your cells use glucose more effectively. It increases insulin sensitivity, which means your body needs less insulin to control sugar levels. It may reduce sugar absorption in the intestines, keeping post-meal spikes under control. And it helps protect your pancreas, the organ that produces insulin. Now, you may be wondering, how do I eat this bitter vegetable? Here are some of the best ways. 1. Bitter gourd juice. Blend fresh bitter gourd with a little water and lemon juice. Drink it on an empty stomach, but start small, just 50 to 100 milliliters. 2. Bitter gourd tea. Dry the slices and brew them into a herbal tea. This is milder in taste and still effective. 3. Cooked bitter gourd. Add it into stir-fries, curries, or stuff it with spices. Cooking reduces the bitterness. For bitter gourd powder, available in health stores, you can mix it with water or sprinkle into smoothies. Here's a quick diabetes-friendly recipe. Slice a fresh bitter gourd, remove the seeds, and soak it in water with a pinch of salt for 30 minutes. Then it lightly with onions, garlic, and a touch of turmeric. This makes the taste much more pleasant and still retains the benefits. Of course, like any strong natural remedy, bitter gourd is not for everyone. Pregnant women should avoid it. If you're on diabetes medication, check with your doctor first, because combining both could make your blood sugar drop too low. And always start with small amounts, once or twice a week, and see how your body responds. Remember, bitter gourd is powerful, but it works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Go for a daily walk or light jog. Just 30 minutes of activity can help control sugar levels. Include nuts and seeds like almonds, flax seeds, and walnuts in your diet. Eat plenty of green vegetables and avoid sugary snacks. When you combine bitter gourd with these natural habits, you give your body the best chance to control diabetes naturally. So there you have it. Bitter gourd, the miracle vegetable that can drastically lower blood sugar. It's bitter in taste, but sweet in results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Diabetes Natural Care. We share natural ways to lower blood sugar and live a healthier life with diabetes. Comment below if you've ever tried bitter gourd, and let me know your experience. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and remember, lower sugar, live naturally.